Bak Preston dan Song sembut Menteri Rang Bak Acalau lai thu pak sarkar hi raya khmat bantau banwo yak jaka putan na bantau bachnano yaka surok western bypass lo bakani surok kanirap ban penduna yak jingkhapnya kali hanong ba shalong bat kali kamai andala dap kanir surok kimton kamchu banya lingba ka jingki umyam.
See, there are a lot of formalities to be done. In fact, I've already asked my team of engineers to work out if there is any other option where we can, bypass the existing main dam bridge. Right now, they are on the job, but at the same time, our focus is for this western bypass. If western bypass is constructed, I think quite a number of commercial vehicle will not ply via the main dam bridge. We are already in the stage of land acquisition, and then we have already asked both the district collectors, East Khasil as well as Riboy district, to start the proceeding of land acquisition.